A Nordic curl is a great way to build up the strength of your hamstrings and make sure that you're not pushing beyond what you are capable of. It's quite an aggressive move. So I'll show you how to set up. You want something to anchor your feet with. So you might be able to use a couch and pop your feet underneath the couch. A car, I've seen various different contraptions that you can get on YouTube, on Amazon, sorry. But essentially you want to make sure that your feet are nice and safe. You want a cushion underneath your knees and possibly some version of assistance. So the move looks like this. First of all, I'll set up the anchor point for my feet, and then I pop the squishy underneath my knees. So like so. Now the beginner version is going to be basically hinging at the hips. So you're coming down, hips stay still, and torso bends forwards, pulls up. Now you might need assistance. I have a band mounted to a chin-up bar that's above where you can see. But basically you're going to use that. I use it on my head, come down and up. The more aggressive version, you're going to be hinging at the knee instead, which is where you want to get to eventually. You can again use the assistance. Everything else is the same, but you're going to open up from the knees and keep the hips relatively straight. So that one looks like this, and then up again. So again, use the resistance that feels right for you. This band is maybe a finger width thick, and it is okay for right now, given that I'm not warmed up. And yeah, so use a setup that works for you. That is the Nordic Curl.